Here I have Google Nest Hub Max, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device through the mobile device to which one it is connected. So first you'll have to access Google Home app, then access this hub through this app, then go to its settings, notifications and digital well-being, Do Not Disturb, and here you can switch this, it's Do Not Disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.